Hi, I'm here to show you the Google AIY Project Kit for voice recognition. It's a special kit that allows you to turn a Raspberry Pi into a voice-controlled virtual assistant using the Google Assistant SDK. On top of that, you can use the Google's Cloud Speech API.
Now this enables you to hook up the kit to your own projects, along with custom commands you can create for the kit to recognise, such as... So here's what you're getting inside this kit. Right. First up is the all-important Voice HAT, which connects on top of your Raspberry Pi and allows this project to work. This also comes with a special microphone add-on board for the Voice HAT, so it can actually listen to your commands. There's also a speaker, a big button, a variety of wires and headers and stuff to get it all up. And finally, there is this cardboard bit, which is the standard Google way of creating a case for your projects. Now, all you need to get this to work is a Raspberry Pi 3. Now, as well as the build instructions, which are in the magazine, there is some software set up, again in the magazine, and we've done that before, so here's an SD card we prepared earlier, so let's give it a test. Hello.
Hello there. What can I do for you?
What is the weather like in Orlando, Florida?
In Orlando, it's 21 and partly cloudy.
What is 2 plus 3?
The answer is 5.
What do you think of Alexa?
I like Alexa's cool blue light. Plus, we share an affinity for Star Wars.
So there you have it. This kit is available with all physical copies of issue 57 of the Magpie, the official Raspberry Pi magazine. Now don't forget, you can subscribe today to make sure you never miss an issue and get a free Raspberry Pi Zero W and a set of accessories with every 12-month print subscription. Find out more at the link magically appearing down here.